Hello guys and welcome to a new music class with Miguel. So today, now that you know how to read tabs, we're going to go into what we have to learn in this new unit. Okay, now that we have passed the blues, we're going to learn about something called licks. I mentioned this last week a little bit, but we're going to go into it a little bit more deeply. So first, what are licks? No, first, the objective. By the end of this session, you will be able to play two licks that are very common in rock and country music. You will also be able to improve your finger movement because we're not going to do chords, we're going to do melodic things, okay? So you're going to improve your finger mobility. And you will also be able to improve tab reading because that is something that you learned last week, but the more you do it, the better you'll get at it, okay? So, what is lick? A lick is a musical phrase that is used commonly in certain music styles. There are rock licks, country licks, blues licks, jazz licks, etc. Okay? Licks can be played by any melodic instrument, okay? Not by percussion instruments. So it can be played by a guitar, a saxophone, even a bass, a trumpet, trombone, piano, etc. But not percussion because percussion doesn't have a melody there, okay? But we're gonna focus here on guitar licks because that is the instrument that you are learning, of course. So we have first the rock lick, okay? It says here 80 BPM because that is the tempo that you're gonna be using, okay? So first we have here the rock lick. We have here first in standard notation and you have it in tab notation, okay? Now, the first thing you need to know is that first the rhythm. So for that you need to look at the standard notation. I even included here like this thing so that you know these are eighth notes. So if the beat is, let me play the click, 80 BPM, okay? If that is the beat, every eighth note is going to be half that beat. So it's going to be ba 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 ba. Okay? Since all of them are eighth notes, except for the last one, which is the last note of the exercise, everything is going to be played in that rhythm. Ba 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 ba. Now, which notes you're going to be playing? For that, you're going to look at the tab notation right here. And here you have, for example, uh, notes are repeated all over the exercise. So first you have first string, you have the third fret here, okay, and then you have first string open. And then the other two notes are second string, third fret, and second string open. Those are all the notes you're going to be using, okay? But we're going to be doing it like in this order and with this rhythm, okay? So let me play here the beat and I will play the exercise. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, and. And that is the exercise. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? That is the rock lick. Okay? Play it with 80 BPM. You can use this video with me playing as a means to actually get the entire thing correctly. Let's move to the other lick, the second lick of today, the country and rock lick, again at 80 BPM. But this is going to be a little bit more difficult, okay? So here we have, again, standard notation first, and then tab notation later on. First thing you need to know is that here you have this real little note right here. This is going to be the pickup note, okay? The pickup note is right before beat number 1 of this bar, okay? Again, all of them are going to be eighth notes except for the last one, which is this last note, the third string open, okay? This is just going to be the one that we end with, okay? And since you have this tie here, it means that you're not going to play this 2 times. It's just one long note. Okay? Again, we have here 2nd string, 3rd fret. Then you have 1st string, open. Then you have again 2nd string, 3rd fret and open. Then you have 3rd string, 2nd fret. Then again 2nd string, open. Then again 3rd string, 2nd and open. And you get the idea, okay? So when you play this at 80 BPM, it's gonna sound like this. Now, when you count, this pickup note right here, the first one of the exercise, is gonna be right after the 4, but before the 1 of the next one. So it's 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. This is going to be a little bit more difficult. If you cannot do it at 80 BPM, you can try maybe at 70. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's going to be a little bit more difficult than the other one. Let me press pause here. So these are the 2 licks that you're going to be playing. Okay, since the entire year you have been doing chords, it's really important that you improve your finger mobility. Okay, so practice a lot. Okay, do not just practice the last day where you have to send the task. Okay, practice every day. A little bit every day is gonna get you far. Okay, always trust in the power of practice. Okay, practice every day. 10 minutes per day is gonna be good. If you can give more, even better. Okay, so you know how to read all the notes and just play them in the same rhythm. Okay, now those are the 2 exercises, the 2 licks that you have to do, and your task is obviously going to be a video of you playing those 2 licks, okay, that you have found in this PowerPoint presentation, and you upload it to Schoology. Okay, do it at 80 BPM. If for some reason that is too fast for you, then you can do it at 70 BPM. Okay, but my main point would be that try to do it at 80, because that's going to be not so fast but not so slow. Okay, that will depend on your specific skills. Okay, so that's it. Record your video, upload it to Schoology, and I will see you next class. Bye bye.